Right, hello and welcome. My name is Ilya Tetin. I'm going to teach you analytics for business and decision making in this semester. The purpose of this course is to provide you with basic introduction to the concepts, methods, and models which are used in business analytics. And the whole deal here is to convert data which are raw numbers and facts, such as data about customers, sales, costs, and revenue, into process it somehow, summarize, manipulate, and convert it to information which helps managers make informed decisions. Okay, it provides insight. It becomes information. All right, so data can be transformed, and we'll show how it can be transformed, sorted, and manipulated. And also, very important thing is data visualization, which involves displaying data in a meaningful way to provide insights for better decision making. This often includes creating charts, different kinds of pivot charts, and we're going to use Microsoft Excel in all our data manipulations. And Excel is not just the spreadsheet, it has quite vast capabilities for data analysis. Then we will discover descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics is something which we are going to connect with the statistics course that you are going to study this semester as well. And statistics is just a summary measure of data, right? So descriptive statistics use tabular, visual, and quantitative techniques to describe and to summarize data. And Excel supports statistical analysis in two ways: through statistical functions, which you enter in the cell as a formula, or using the Microsoft Analysis Tool Pack, which is an add-in for more complex statistical computations. All right. Sometimes we need to make assumptions about future uncertainties without any data, and that's why we need probability distributions, right? We, for example, try to predict the profitability of a new product. The product is new, there is no data on it, and it requires reliable assumptions about sales, about customer behavior, and understanding probability concepts and distributions helps in specifying these uncertain assumptions in decision models. In your career, you will often use and apply statistical sampling and estimation, right? Very important topic here. Let's say marketing analysts use surveys to understand customer demographics and satisfaction. Accounting professionals use sampling to audit financial records. Operation managers use it to verify the quality of materials and production outputs. Business analytics frequently involves finding statistical evidence to determine if decisions or process changes have achieved their goals. Right? So this is called statistical inference. Very, very important topic, which involves drawing conclusions about populations from samples, including estimating population parameters and hypothesis testing. So where you see that the scientists approved something, they discovered, and here is the effect. This is made by hypothesis testing, and you're going to study those hypothesis testing. You're also going to study ANOVA, analysis of variance testing. Really, really important and a useful technique for trying to understand what is the effect, right? Next, we're going to cover trend lines and regression analysis. This is the topic about predictive analytics. Predictive analytics often involves modeling relationships between independent variables and dependent variable using regression analysis. Trend lines and regression models are tools for building predictive models. This course will focus on understanding and interpreting these models. So throughout the course there will be, as you can see, 7 main topics, and you'll have extensive practice on each of them. The course will be quite slow and involve a lot of practice. You'll have a lot of tasks in Excel, and you will practice yourself how to manipulate, interpret, visualize, and test hypotheses on the data. There will be a midterm exam on week 9 or week 10, it depends on our course, and the final exam on week 17. The whole course is 18 weeks, so the final 18 week will be devoted to presentation reports, and you're going to demonstrate what you have learned throughout the course when you are given the case study, and you just solve this case study, implement the techniques that you gain from this course, and present it in the form of a report, like a 3-minute talk about what you have done and what insights you have gained from the data, right? So if you are open to knowledge, knowledge will come to you. It will be really interesting course, on a very practical course. You will see the connection between statistics and the business analytics, on how you will implement the techniques that you have gained from the course in your future careers. So please attend, listen carefully, do the tasks, practice, ask questions, prepare yourself for future career. This is a really important course for you, right? If you see me anywhere in the university, you may come to me and ask. You may come to my office during office hours. We'll conversate. I'll try to explain. Maybe there are some difficulties throughout the course, so you can clarify them by visiting my office. Alright? So no worries at all. Just attend, listen, and you'll be able to deal with the midterm and finals. Okay? See you next semester.